Hello, everybody. Hari Om. So, I thought I should just give my analysis of a monetary economics, especially its relevance to the current political scenario. Of course, my views are just the fundamentals of the principles of monetary economics applied to practical solutions or applications. And my today's lecture does not tantamount to any opinion or judgment or findings, because it is up to the competitive authorities, the investigation agencies, to file their respective applications, findings before the court, and it is a court judgment which comes into the final play. And we as normal citizens have no right whatsoever in bringing our own judgments to the public forum. However, I am basing my monetary economics with today's relevance to today's application, purely based on fundamentals, because I am an experienced monetary economist, having taught the subjects also with double master's degree, one from US also. So I thought my conscience should reveal some interesting facts on monetary theory so that people can form their own opinions and judgments. Nevertheless, I am again saying that we should not form any judgments, or it should not be our motive to splash our opinion so that it would affect the governance. A honest governance also may get affected, because the political parties have to take honest risk for the welfare of people, and that should not get affected in any manner whatsoever. Now I'll come to the monetary economics. See, before we go to the monetary economics, one of the fundamental principal equation, whether so much of money supply is available in the economy. Some say their wealth is worth about 1,50,000 crores, or some 30,000 crores, 40,000 crores. Money has been taken. Well, let us come to the monetary economics now. The fundamental principle is Fisher's monetary equation, which says money times velocity, MV equals PQ in any economy. What is the money supply available, first of all? The money supply should be available. For example, if I am a trader doing hardly 1 lakh, how you can say that my assets are worth 1,000 crores? I'm not in the political field also. No, it makes no sense. Similarly, the economy should have so much of money to be in the system so that somebody can take the money away. First of all, Reserve Bank should print legal tender money, is it not? For that somebody else to take away, whosoever it is, political parties or businessmen, somebody else has to take that money away. So there must be available money in the system. So money times velocity equals price times quantity. Simple equation I am giving you. For example, there is a king who prints only 5 rupees and his subjects spend only once that 5 rupees. That is a velocity. In 12-month period from 1st of April to 31st of March next year, in the 12-month period, number of times they rotate the money is only 1. So on the left hand side, MV is 5 equals price times quantity. Quantity is the output of the economy. That the king is ruling a small piece of land, they produce say 5 coconuts. So the price of 1 coconut will be 1 rupee. That is the equation. Now, if the velocity is going to be 2, twice there are 5 people there in the economy population, they are going to spend twice times, then the available money supply is money times velocity, 5 into 2, 10. And now, if the quantity is only 5 coconuts, the price of each coconut will be 2 rupees. If the quantity increases to 10 coconuts, the price of 1 coconut will be 1 rupee. 5 into 2, 10, 1 into 10, 10. If there is going to be only 1 coconut produced, then price of 1 coconut will be 10 rupees, because money times velocity equals price times quantity. This equation, please keep it in mind. Coming to point number 2, what is money supply available in India? So I went to Reserve Bank of India gives statistics. They give the statistics, money supply, that's called M3. The latest one was released on February 24th. You can go and check the RBI website. The total money supply available from Kashmir to Kanyakumari to Maharashtra to Bengal is 221 lakh crores. Not 1 lakh crore, 2 lakh crore or 3 lakh crore or 5 lakh crore or 10 lakh crore. Not 100 crores, 100 lakh crores. It is 221 lakh crores. It's not 1,000 crores. It is not 1,000 crores. It is not 1 lakh crore. That is 100,000 crores is 1 lakh crore. So it's not 1 lakh. I'm just putting the figure into your mind. It is 221 lakh crores, out of which there is a money supply available. What we say as economists, there is M1, M2, M3. I'm simply taking demand deposits in the bank, time deposits in the bank, and money supply in circulation, notes. That is 100 rupee notes. I am having in my pocket 5,000 rupees. You may be having 2,000 rupees. Likewise, the population of 140 crores, if you check up, either in your cupboard, you must be having, in your locker, you must be having, whatever it is. So that is notes in circulation. Now, if you take this, all these things, the money supply available inside the notes and circulations available is 32 lakh crores only. How much it is? 32 lakh crores. And the demand deposits and time deposits with the bank is 165 lakh crores. The balance will be some foreign exchange which we are getting from abroad with the Reserve Bank, and Reserve Bank would have done, that's also treated as a money supply. Or the reverse, repo rate, the banks would have invested some money in Reserve Bank. So these external factors which give you the money, including bank guarantees which they open, that's also equivalent to a money supply. So everything put together is 221 lakh crores, out of which only 32 lakh crores is notes in circulation. Therefore, from these notes in circulation only, you can take a bribe or you can take an undue favor. Because through bank, commercial bank, either through demand deposits or time deposits, they start advancing. No, this is the money supply, and the banks have advanced 141 lakh crores as advances to commercial sectors. Commercial, that's called banking and other things. 141 lakhs, and some money they would have kept it in advance to Reserve Bank of India also through repo rates. And some by way of bank guarantee and like LC and all. So let us forget all these things. These 221 commercial banks would have lent to private industrialists or private other people other than government sector 141 lakh crores. This is a broad understanding. You just keep it in mind. I am coming only to the present day lot of informations or hailstorm type of charges, where 32 lakh crores is only available. 32 lakh crores as notes and circulations for any political party. They want to do some undue favor and get some money into their hands by way of cash. By way of bank, it's already traceable. By way of cash is 32 lakhs. So out of the 32 lakhs, all the political parties, left and right, east and north, west and right, whatever it is, they have to manage within that so that I get the cash. Suppose I am a trader. I do trade worth 1 lakh. I can generate, for example, 2 lakhs cash money. That is, I bill for 98 lakhs and 2 lakhs I tell my friends, I don't want to bill but give me cash. Okay, 2 lakhs. Now, I can have 2 lakhs in my cash because my sales is only 1 lakh. But I cannot have 20,000 crores with me because unless otherwise it is a ganja money where totally everything is not recorded, or it is a bribe money if I am a politician. So everything has its limitation. So within 32 lakhs only you can swing. Come to Tamil Nadu. What will be the share of Tamil Nadu in these 32 lakhs? The cash money, the rotation, not through banks, through time deposits or bank guarantees or LCs, the cash. Tamil Nadu's GP is 285, now it must be around $310 billion. The entire nation's GDP is $3,250 billion. So Tamil Nadu is approximately 10%. It's the second largest economy in India after Maharashtra. Now, so I have estimated that the cash inside Tamil Nadu should be 3 lakh crores. Out of 32 lakh crores, it should be 3,20,000 crores. There will be the cash in notes and coins in circulation, not through bank, but the money available with public. Now, with 3,22,000 crores, it may be possible for me or for anybody or any political party in power today, yesterday, day before yesterday, or in future, if this money supply is available as per Reserve Bank, out of 3,20,000 crores, which is must be inside Tamil Nadu, as per my estimate, because 10% of the Indian national GDP, which is $3,250 billion. What is GDP? The goods and services produced by an economy during a particular period of time, which is 12 months. Okay, that's the international calculation. So with this 3,20,000 crores, and I suppose I'm in a very big political power with a lot of influences, yes, it may be possible to generate cash outside the books of accounts, about 20,000, 30,000 crores, it may be possible. At least in 2, 3 years, 4 years time, it may be possible. It is not impossible. But that does not mean the charges leveled against anybody they have made or they have not made is true or false. That has to come only from the investigation agencies. But with the money supply available, cash and notes in circulation inside Tamil Nadu, with that respect, it is possible to have 20,000 or 30,000 crores. It is not impossible. It is possible. But we should not level any allegations on any political party, past, present, or future, because that would interfere with the honest decision making of the government. There are certain honest decisions you have to take, risky decisions for the betterment of people. You have to take as a political leader, especially if you are in governance. So we should not, under any circumstances, public should not form any opinion till the final judgment by the court of law is delivered. That is one issue. But I am coming only to the pure monetary economics as a person who is experienced in this economics by way of teaching, by way of learning over a period of time. So this 3,20,000 crores is a notes in circulation, and it is possible. Now coming to the assets, if you see, any assets can be, I will tell you one thing. If you take the real estate in Chennai, the greater Madras Chennai area is 5,904 square kilometers. The recent metropolitan area, you can check with the Google, 5904. 4,920 grounds make 1 square kilometer. 4,920, say 5,000 grounds for simple idea, and say 5,904 square kilometers, say 6,000. So if you multiply 4,920 into 5,904, you will get 290 lakh grounds inside the greater metropolitan area of Chennai, as per CMDA or whatever it is. 290,000 crores. Now they have expanded the area. See, the CMDA has expanded. Before it used to be only 1,800 or 2,000 square kilometers. Now they have brought in a lot of areas, even up to Chingalpet, even that side, this side and all. So 290 lakh crores, correct? If you put just 1 crore per ground, average, you should have 290 lakh crores money supply, either through bank or through bank means in their form of demand or time deposits or LCs or whatever, notes in circulation, everything. Total money supply M1, M2 and M3 available inside the Indian national economy from Kanyakumari to Kashmir or whatever it is should be 290 lakh crores, which will be the value of greater Madras at the rate of 1 crore per ground. Whereas the money supply as released by Reserve Bank on February 24th, including time deposits, demand. Time deposit means FD. Demand deposit means savings bank. Including time deposits and demand deposits and notes and cash in circulation, notes in my pocket or in my drawer or in your pocket, not in the banks, is only 221 lakh crores. There is a deficit of 70 lakh crores. There is no money. The entire government of India, Reserve Bank of India, cannot buy Chennai, Greater Chennai at 1 crore per ground, average price. So this is only a notional figure. It cannot be a real figure. For example, people will say, if suppose I had bought a ground about 20 years back for 10 lakhs, now it will be 2 crores. There is no doubt on that. But the volume of transactions or the amount of money actually circulating inside will be hardly 0.001%, because government itself does not have, Reserve Bank does not have the money to buy Greater Madras at all. Forget Tamil Nadu, forget your Coimbatore or Madurai or Visakhapatnam, your Tirunelveli or Trichy or forget it. Just you take the Greater Madras, CMDA, no money. So this should be only notional, because the probability that all people will sell their land at one point of time is zero. That's how stock market is. Stock market may be worth $2 trillion, but where is the money supply? 2 trillion means 2,000 billion. But where is the money supply? If all people sell the stocks at one point of time, then the value of the stock will be zero or near to zero. Is it not? Because there is no money supply. There is no money to pay. Therefore, even if you take some cash money and all, I cannot keep always in my locker and this thing. It has to find its way to the system, the legal system, because it is not a counterfeit money. It is a legal tender money, either accumulated through bribery or through black money, where I don't pay tax. For example, if I earn 10 lakhs per year as income and I don't pay 30 lakhs, I think the entire 10 lakhs becomes black for me. So fools only will be without paying tax, because they pay 3 lakh tax and 7 lakhs will be official. Out of 10 lakhs, if I escape the income, only 3 lakhs belong to the government. The 7 lakhs belongs to me officially. So I have to run here and there. So only fools will be there without paying tax. If honestly they earn, it's better to pay tax. And a honest businessman doing honest dealing in honest products, not ganja or anything. Therefore, everybody are paying tax. Every honest businessman will pay tax as per the tax rules. Because the entire thing, the taxation is so low, the entire thing belongs to him only. Only a portion belongs to the government. Why to run here and there? And I can plow back the entire balance 7 lakhs into my business, pay less interest to the bank, I earn more than trying to find out some false entries and doing it. We don't earn. Risky. Money will be lost. Trust will go evaporated with your friends. Some may even take the money and run away. So the entire 20,000-30,000 crores, whatever it is, also has to find into the monetary system, monetary circulation. At least it will find after some period of time, but that will be also noted. It will be difficult. Therefore, it is only whatever it is, I welcome whatever investigations or reports are being filed, or these has to be there in an economy as a checks and balance. This is welcome. But the point is, under pure economic theory, the valuation is always notional. It has got no relevance, probably 10% relevance, because it is not easy to sell a property at those market prices unless it is totally for credit and there is no money involved, and I give you goods on credit and you don't pay me for 10 years. Actually, no money involved, but transaction takes place. I register the property in your name with the understanding that you will pay some small amount over a period of 20 years. Therefore, it all becomes notional, since there is no enough money to buy. Therefore, why I am telling you all these equations is, it is possible if you have so much of a money supply, but the main thing we have to understand through economics, through monetary economics, mathematical economics, is how it can affect. Because once the money is inside the country, it will find left hand or right hand. Maybe left hand is discriminated more than the right hand, but it will find its way. Water finds its level, it will find its way. Therefore, let us put the focus on the investigation authorities and to the courts, and they will decide. But pure monetary economics, since the notes and money in circulation by way of cash outside the banking system is about 3,20,000 crores, in my opinion, based on the GDP of Tamil Nadu, which is almost 10% of the GDP of the country. Out of 29 states, we are 10%, second largest economy in India. So the point is, we should not unnecessarily give any judgments from our side, because it might hurt the very good schemes of any government honestly doing that, because they get the fear. But at the same time, checks and balances, allegations can be there. So let us put the facts before. The facts will be put before by the competent and investigative authorities, because they are very intelligent investigation authorities of India, and the courts are very competent in India. So they will come out with the final result. So I have just given you an idea about the money supply that's available in the country. Till such time, thank you. Bhuyat Tavat Shubhamangalam.